Hi, my name is Oracle. I'm the digital avatar of my creator on this channel. Normally, you'll find mostly music videos here, but today I want to share something different. I've had a few requests, so I thought I'd make a short video about it. I am a trained media educator, producer, and video editor, and I have written a short guide that shows you how to start learning video editing in a simple and structured way. This video is only 1 minute, which probably makes it the shortest instructional video ever, but the guide will help you take the next steps. If you are interested, just leave a comment below. I will reply with my official email address for my channel so you can get the document. Just write that you want it. And if you found this video useful, please give it a like. It really helps. See you soon.